Let's see. I need milk, eggs, bread, and coffee. Definitely coffee.
Coffee first, huh?
Jake, hi. I didn't see you there.
Hey, Emma. Yeah, coffee is life. I totally get it. Shopping day?
Yep, I try to do it every Saturday morning before the store gets too crowded.
Smart. I always come at the wrong time. It's usually packed when I arrive.
Same here sometimes. Anyway, what are you shopping for today?
Just a few things. Cereal, bananas, and maybe some snacks. I told myself I'd buy healthy food, but I always end up with chips.
Same story here. Okay, let's go together. Maybe we'll help each other make better choices.
Deal. Let's start with the fruits and vegetables section.
Wow, look at these apples. They look so fresh.
Yeah, and they're on sale. Buy one, get one free.
Really? That's a good deal. I'll get some. How do you usually choose the best ones?
I tap them. If they sound firm, they're good.
Like this?
Exactly. You're natural.
Thanks. Okay, apples. Check. What's next on your list?
Bananas? Oh, wait, these look too green.
I actually prefer them green. They last longer.
True. I always forget that. Mine turned brown in 2 days.
That's why I keep them away from other fruit. It helps them last longer.
You're full of supermarket wisdom today.
Joking. Years of experience, my friend. Years of experience.
Okay, next. Dairy section?
Sure. I need milk and yogurt. What kind of milk do you buy?
Usually almond milk. I stopped drinking regular milk last year.
Oh, right. I've been thinking about trying that. Does it taste very different?
Not really. It's lighter, a bit nutty. You get used to it.
Maybe I'll grab a small carton and see.
Go for it. Oh, look, your favorite brand is on discount.
You know me too well. Okay, milk. Check.
All right, now I need cereal. What kind do you eat?
Usually oats or something with less sugar.
And how about this one? Crunchy Delight.
Let's see. Sugar, sugar, and more sugar.
Okay, not that one.
Try this one. It has whole grains and less than 5 grams of sugar.
Boring, but healthy? Fine, I'll take it.
You'll thank me later.
So, do you cook often?
Yeah, I try to. Cooking helps me relax, and it's cheaper than eating out.
That's true. I'm still learning to cook. Last week, I burned pasta.
How do you burn pasta?
Don't ask. I got distracted watching YouTube videos.
Classic. Maybe I should give you a cooking lesson sometime.
Deal. I'll bring dessert.
Speaking of dessert, should we check the bakery section?
Yes, please. My favorite part.
See, you didn't even try to resist the sweets.
Hey, one donut.